Getting paid on time isn't luck, it's a system. If you've ever delivered great work and still waited weeks for money to hit your account, you already know late payments can drain your cash flow, your energy, and your motivation. In this video, you will learn smart methods on how to get paid faster by clients. The fastest way to get paid is to stop treating invoicing as an afterthought. Most businesses deliver the work, send an invoice a week later, and then wonder why money arrives late. High-performing agencies and service companies do the opposite. They set payment expectations the moment a deal is signed. Before any work starts, the client clearly knows what the total project cost is, when invoices will be sent, what the due dates are, and what happens if payments are late. This removes ambiguity and makes late payment a client decision, not a surprise. Smart businesses also invoice instantly when milestones are hit, not at the end of the month. If you finish a deliverable today, invoice today. This alone speeds up cash flow more than any tool. The second big tactic is to request deposits or milestone payments instead of waiting for a final lump sum. Many U.S. service providers use a 50% upfront, 25% mid-project, 25% before delivery model. Software as a services implementation companies often use 30% kickoff, 40% after setup, 30% after training. Construction and creative industries use similar structures because it de-risks the project for both sides. When a client has already paid part of the project, they are more motivated to keep approvals moving, files ready, and timelines on schedule. It also ensures you are not funding your client's operations with your labor. Third, your invoices need to be clean, clear, and professional. A messy invoice causes delays because the client's accounting team doesn't know what they are paying for. Always include your legal business name, tax details, W-9 if applicable, invoice number, due date, item breakdown, payment methods, and notes. Use simple language like website development phase 1 instead of vague descriptions. If the client is a larger organization, ask for their accounts payable process on day 1. Sometimes they need a purchase order, vendor onboarding form, or specific invoice format before they are allowed to pay. Getting this info upfront can cut waiting time by weeks. Fourth, offer multiple payment methods. A big reason payments stall is because clients hate manual processes. Progressive business owners add ACH transfer, credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, Stripe, Wise, and checks by mail for older companies. Many US agencies prefer ACH because it's cheap and fast. Some European and international clients prefer Wise because of lower FX fees. The easier you make it to pay, the faster money moves. Automation is a game changer. Instead of reminding clients manually, use invoice automation tools that send invoices, track due dates, send reminders, charge cards automatically, and apply late fees if needed. This removes emotion from the process. When a reminder email arrives from the system, it feels procedural, not personal. It also keeps your time focused on delivery instead of collections. Now, let's talk about the systems and tools that smart business owners rely on to speed up payments without chasing people on the phone. The first system is automated invoicing and reminders. Platforms like QuickBooks Online, FreshBooks, Xero, Zoho Books, and Wave allow you to create invoices, attach payment links, add late fees, and schedule automatic reminder emails at 7 days, 3 days, and 1 day before due dates. Agencies that sell retainers or recurring services often use Stripe, Billing, Chargebee, or Recurly to auto-charge cards or ACH every month. This removes the risk of "I forgot to pay" and turns collections into a subscription experience. For international clients, tools like Wise Business, Payoneer, and Revolut Business offer low-fee payments and great onboarding flow. Clients pay faster when transactions are simple and fees are low. The second system is structured follow-up. The biggest mistake freelancers and small agencies make is assuming a reminder email is rude. Real professionals treat follow-up as standard business. The moment an invoice is sent, attach a short line like, "Let me know if you need anything for your accounting team. Happy to help." Then, before the due date, send a friendly reminder. After the due date, send a firm but professional message with context and next steps. If the client is a corporate account, CC the accounting department or AP team. Many payments get stuck because the invoice never reached the right inbox. Some businesses also include late fees after a certain grace period. It's not about punishing clients. It's about signaling that your business runs on clear terms. Simple late fees encourage faster approvals. Next is contract language. Many business owners write proposals with no legal teeth. Pros include payment schedules, late fees, interest rates for overdue invoices, and details about halt of work if invoices fall behind. For example, work pauses if invoice remains unpaid for 10 business days past due is both fair and protective. It ensures you are not putting in extra hours while waiting on old money. Adding acceptance criteria also helps. If a client delays payment because they want unlimited revisions, the contract can define completion at milestone approval, not perfection. This keeps projects from dragging endlessly. Another tactic is client onboarding. When a deal closes, send a brief onboarding email that includes your W-9, banking info, invoice instructions, preferred payment methods, and AP contact details. Many enterprise companies need this before processing invoices. If you skip this step, your invoice can sit idle for weeks because no vendor file exists. Agencies that handle corporate accounts often use portals like Ariba, Bill.com, Coupa, and Zoho to submit invoices directly into the client's AP pipeline. If you work with Fortune 500 clients, learn their portal system early. It saves massive time. Finally, add incentives for early payment. Some businesses give small discounts for paying within 7 days. Others offer priority scheduling for clients with automated billing. The goal is simple: make paying early more attractive than paying late. When you combine automation, clear contracts, frictionless payment methods, proper onboarding, structured follow-ups, and optional incentives, payments become predictable instead of stressful. If you want your business to grow without constant financial stress, you have to treat fast payments as part of your system, not just hope. Set expectations early, invoice clearly, use automation, and make payments easy for your clients. When money moves faster, you get better cash flow, more breathing room, and more energy to focus on winning new clients instead of chasing old invoices.